Hey guys, what's going on again? My name is James Mason for anybody who doesn't know yet. So, this video right here, this is my introduction for my mini-series that I will be releasing the videos, one video per day on how I trade options. So this isn't only going to be just how I trade options. I'm going to go over different things like, what are options, the benefits for trading options, the pros and cons, how I trade, the calls and puts, and I'll actually show you a trade with a call and a put, and what I look for in trading options and the best price ranges that I feel, in my opinion, are where you need to stay in actually trading options, and I'll explain all of that. So if this is something you're interested in, definitely follow this series. Please subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll get notified for these videos when I post them daily. If you do not know how to trade, go to my playlist. I have another free course there. I have playlist 1 and 2. In the end, the content is all the same, but playlist 1, I teach it using EMAs, and playlist 2, I teach it using Bollinger Bands. So check those out if you're wanting to learn how to trade. So, I look forward to talking to you guys in the Transparent Traders group, and for those who I talk to on Twitter. And if you have any questions, that will be the best place to contact me at. So, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy this series.